Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make trending cinematic flash cut transition, like After Effects in Alight motion. So, without further delay, let's get started. Want this?
Me gusta lo que dices, me gusta que falta, me gusta lo que dices tú, lo que dices tú. Can't believe how you ignore me. Everyone adores me.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Preset link is in the description. Must subscribe. Thanks for watching.